Well, this morning we're going to do a little snow goose hunting. It's the conservation season. Here it's throughout everywhere. No limits, no plugs and guns. I mean, shoot 30 minutes after sunset. We hunted yesterday, killed a few. Today we got a new tactic. We got plenty of decoys out, spread out everywhere out here. But we're in northeast Arkansas looking for snow geese. Come on.
What are you looking forward to today, Dudley?
Hope to get into some of these snow geese. A good north wind. Maybe some birds maybe moving around. Had about 40-degree high yesterday. Today high's gonna be about 20. Strong enough wind. Should be a bright day. Got a heck of a spread put out. I think we're running about 1,200 decoys all told. So we're gonna get brushed in. Get these trucks and trailers out of here. Get covered up and hopefully get to shooting.
Yeah, we're out here in northeast Arkansas chasing snow geese this morning. The wind's blowing about 30 miles an hour. It's about 25 degrees. Birds are flying right. I'm excited. It's cold, but boy, sitting behind this camera this morning, you just can't beat it. Hope you guys enjoyed this footage. We're doing our part in helping control the snow goose population. Come on. Oh man. Oh my God. I hope everybody enjoyed that. You couldn't zoom the camera out far enough, and there was geese everywhere. I mean, everywhere. And that was awesome. I hope everybody enjoyed that. I tried to get what I could. I couldn't tell you how many geese there were in that group, but they came in right in the pocket where we wanted to, and oh my gosh, the guys put a pounding on them. They're picking up geese right now, and we'll see how many we got.
Get them in close and you take their heads off. Definitely a kill. Like this one coming in right behind us.
As you can see, we're having a great time. This is really my second or third time hunting snow geese, but I had never gotten into them like this. A lot of times you hear about people finding them on the road, hiding behind the levee and jump shooting them. No, not us. We got them in your face with a bunch of decoys. We're running 1,300 decoys.
Plenty of them.
A lot of work putting those decoys out, but let me tell you, it was worth it. We ended up hunting with Antonio Jones, and Tyler's going to tell us a little bit how we ended up on this hunt.
Well, a couple days before our original plan, I went down to southeast Arkansas, and I was going to drive around looking for some snow geese on my buddy Kyle Dudley's land. And man, we just couldn't find the birds, and I'd got word that they were all up in northeast Arkansas, and just so happened Antonio Jones ended up giving me a phone call and saying we could come up there and hunt with him. And it was a blast. Me and Andrew got to go with Kyle and all his buddies, and like Andrew said, we had 1,200 plus decoys out, moving them around field to field, having to set them up early in the morning, getting up at 2 or 3 in the morning just to go set up decoys. That's unbelievable.
It's a lot of work. People don't really think about it. When you have that many decoys to put out, and like Tyler said, we had to move them from one field to another field. Because the day before, Tyler and Antonio had hunted, and they did okay, killed a handful of birds, but they really found out where the geese wanted to be. So that night / early morning, we got there, we picked everything up, and we made the move. But boy, was it worth it. We had a great time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the footage.
Come on.
Well, even a blind squirrel finds a nut every now and then. You can see, instead of holding the camera, they actually let me out of my cage, and I get to use the 12 gauge. So we're waiting on a few more flights of geese. We'll see if I can pick me off a few. Come on.
We're up here hunting with the 2011 World Duck Calling Champion Antonio Jones.
No, Snow Goose Calling Champion now.
Okay. Snow Goose Calling Champion Antonio Jones. We had a blast, Antonio. We appreciate you inviting us up.
Hey guys, I seriously enjoyed everybody coming out.
It's tough when you have to.
And I don't know if we're gonna pop a wheelie going back because all the birds. But it was fun.
Well, we couldn't do what we do without our great sponsors. We only use products we believe in, and we just want to take the time right now to thank each and every one of you.
Man, I tell you what, I got to say a big thanks, and Andrew, you know just as well as I do, this man has helped us out tremendously. Echo Calls, right here. Mr. Rick Dunn and all the guys up there at Echo Calls, man, they just help us out a lot. Get us good sounding duck calls, help us out on all that. Also, I want to say thanks to this man and his product right here, Decoy Outdoors. I mean, look, we're sporting it right now.
That's right.
It looks great. Extreme waterfowl apparel, excuse me. And I mean, you check it out on Facebook, it looks great when you're out there looking good in the woods also. Also, Andrew, you can go ahead and tell them a little bit about the feather lights here that are hanging up.
You know, Tyler and I mostly hunting public land. We got to be able to move when we need to move. Find out where the birds are. And these feather light Cherokee Sports Fusion decoys, they are awesome. Especially just a little slightest bit of wind will get these decoys moving good on the water. Boy, you just can't beat it. Big thanks to Cherokee Sports.
Andrew, you got anything else?
Yeah, you know, it's springtime. And springtime means turkey season.
Oh.
Look out for some great turkey footage we got lined up coming out. And also, it's time to do some fishing. Y'all haven't seen too many trout fishing, crappie fishing episodes from us. We'll be on the lookout. I want to say a big thanks to Jeff Smith over at Leland's Lures for trout and crappie magnet, because the secret's out and we're going to be sharing that with everybody. So look forward to some of our fishing videos. I'd like to thank Jeff for all he does for us over there at Leland's Lures. Check him out.
Also, I want to say thanks to just a few individual people throughout the year that we've hunted with, or they've invited us on hunts and stuff like that. I want to start out, I want to say thanks to Kyle Dudley. He is a great man, helped us out tremendously. I mean, he took us on a trip to Illinois on the train. That's right.
Well, you got to check that video out. We might not have killed much, but we had a great time.
I guarantee you we killed some good times, because that was awesome. Also, I want to say thanks to Chase and Flynn Hopkins. You know, the awesome timber hunt we got put out. I mean, it was just unbelievable. They let us tag along with them.
Big thanks to Brent Calhoun as well on the Echo Pro staff. Put us on some awesome footage and some tons of birds.
Andrew got the privilege to go. I didn't. Also, the reason I didn't get to go, I was in southeast Missouri. Those guys was up there guiding. I want to say thanks to them for letting me come up there. We didn't get to do any video up there, but I promise you next year we will have plenty of hunts from there. Josh Driscoll at Dirty Rice Outfitters. Hit him up, duckhuntmissouri.com. And who is one more person we want to thank? I
want to thank my wife. You know, puts up with me during duck season. It really takes a lot to put a lot of time and effort into these videos. You know, I'm gone at least Saturday, sometimes Sunday mornings, but I love you, honey. Thanks for putting up with me and letting me do what I love.
Yep. And also I want to say one more thing to let everybody know. I want to say thanks and congratulations to this man right here. Thanks for the good times we've had this season, and plenty more to come throughout the turkey and hunting season and everything coming up. But I want to say congratulations to him because he just had his first baby boy, Fisher. Fisher is the cutest little baby you'll ever see. I just want to say congratulations to Andrew and Kristen on that one.
Well, I sure appreciate it, Tyler. You know, I couldn't do a lot of the stuff without the help from Tyler. I sure appreciate all the help he gives me.
Well, folks, there you have it. That was another great hunt from Sons of Thunder Outdoors. Appreciate Antonio Jones inviting us up on this hunt. Man, it was just unbelievable. Big groups of birds falling in left and right. I mean, shooting 17 birds out of one volley. Yeah, we could have shot a few more, but that's just something you don't see every day during duck season.
That's right. Sometimes I'm behind the camera, especially. I get to see those birds working right, and sometimes it's just nice to watch them. We did end up killing, what, 70 plus birds?
70 plus birds, and I mean, give or take, we probably, you know, had a few stranded out there we couldn't find, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. But we definitely killed 80 birds, and it was just unbelievable.
It was an awesome day, and I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to check us out on our Facebook page, Sons of Thunder Outdoors. Also, check us out on hunted.tv. We are the #1 watched web show, and we couldn't do that without you. Well, we sure appreciate you. And remember, life's too short. Do what you love.
Come on.